Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So, how are you feeling today?
I think it's a great feeling. We're about to get awarded, so it's really nice, and it's also very pleasant to be interacting with the peer group. And I think everywhere AI is the theme, so it's interesting to be around with like-minded people.
And how do you feel about being awarded today?
It's special, you know. You keep doing the work that's there, and I've had a career that spanned 15 years long, and it's obviously special to get awarded, to get recognized. You know, it's a moment, and I call it a day for me.
That's good to hear, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, today I have two questions for you. The first one being about AI in finance, the use of
Okay.
AI in finance. So, where do you think it is creating genuine value, and where do you think it is more theater, where more stationary?
AI, I think it's a very good question. AI, indeed, the level it is right now, it is a lot of theater and a lot of gas around it. However, it does have a deterministic value that's imbibed into it. uh, I think the essence lies in what are you putting it to use at. You know, personal productivity we've all seen all through. It's been, I think, around the 2 years. We've all using ChatGPT, Copilot, and similar tools for our personal productivity. For fun. But I think the real value that finance is going to derive from AI depends on the use cases that we are putting to it. For example, forecasting and predictive analytics is a very strong use case for AI, which kind of it has to be put to real value right now. But yeah, AI does have a lot of deterministic value for finance, specifically generative AI and agentic AI.
Thanks a lot. And my final question: if the finance function were rebuilt from scratch today, what would you remove first from it?
Uh, I think reconciliations is what we're going to remove. Every person out there in this conference will definitely give you a smoke if you talk about reconciliations, because that's what we start our careers with. And a lot of proactive time of the finance team goes into reconciliation, because that same transaction is kind of entered by different people at different sources, and then we spend time to kind of reconcile it. So, a single source of data is what I would like to build a new age finance team on, where there's a central database that provides data to everybody, and there are no multiple streams of information and transactions going on. Yeah.
Thank you. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.